coming over, not slowing down a bit. He keeps it. The war in Ohio, he's going over. Oh,
that was happening in the other lane with the Mopar Magic Machine out of front and collapse. A nosedive that turned into a flip.
He didn't slow down, landing very hard on the bottom. Take away all cards on the table. Four's out. Now, Dave's got to come out. Look at that.
What a race! Steve Dane and Awesome Kong way behind at the beginning of the race. He came on strong at the end.
When USA 1 ran, we used the bear story. What we got here is opening the door and two bears are in the room. They're just going to fight it out amongst themselves. It is going to be close. I guarantee you. Look at this. They're coming along. Richard, final jump side by side. Oh, almost went over the grave digger. They're trying to shut the USA 1 down. He's going way out the end of the track, and I have no idea who won that race.
Well, that makes two of us, and Digger has got some problems. Now as they are off and running.
Richard, what a run. Smith's coming out like a rocket. We said he would. Richard, we've got some problems. Smith's going in the wall.
He has hit the wall.
Will be Excalibur from Maumee, Ohio, which is just outside Toledo.
This is going to be a tough one. Jim Kramer is going to have to get all of the power that Bigfoot has to beat the Excalibur truck in this round. Supercharged 454.
Duraliner Giant takes on Bigfoot, and obviously I would think the odds would go even higher now in favor of Bigfoot.
I think they favor Bigfoot a little bit, but I don't think that they favor Bigfoot by a long margin. Time for the drag race shooting down. Bigfoot down the lead, but here's the Duraliner Giant. Bigfoot, they're side by side. They're side by side. It's a shootout. It's a shootout. It's Bigfoot at the finish. It's Bigfoot at the finish. And I believe the Duraliner Giant has blown a motor.
Well, Bigfoot has not only survived the field, but we've had a couple of blowing engines among the competition, and Bigfoot emerges as the champion here at Rich Stadium in Buffalo.
Let's see what happens. Again, they turn very crucial. They got off the line. They are handlebar to handlebar, wheel to wheel. Look at this. Throwing it sideways. Heartbeat goes to the inside and takes over the lead as they head for the car. Neither slow down, landing very hard on the bottom, it looks like, with the Jeep. It's a photo finish, and the word we have is an heartbeat win.
We're standing up again, Brock. It's time for the semifinals in monster trucks. In the near lane will be Jim Kramer in Bigfoot. His competition, Steve Dane King Kong 3. It's a good start for both trucks. The cars are not much of an obstacle anymore, but the dirt mounds certainly are. And the real trick is to get turned down here. Let's watch Kramer. Here comes King Kong. Oh! And I believe they touched there, but not hard enough to do any damage. Kramer didn't let it bother him one bit, and he is going to cross the finish line first, bouncing to a halt.
In fact, it's almost as if Dane gave him a little bit of a butt, kind of propelled him over that first mount. Here comes Dane.
About set to go. Remember, Bigfoot and Barefoot are the two winners so far. Heart of America and Duraliner both broke down in the last heat. The toy and the monster vet have been eliminated.
Look at Sampson all the way in the air. Don Maples is carrying the front end. Excalibur's having a little bit of a problem. Maples is there. He's stopped already. Excalibur is just now shutting down. Maples has the advantage going into this part of it. Maples makes a clear start. He's covered him by 5 car lengths. Maples in the air. But watch Excalibur. Watch Excalibur. He will make up the time right on this one.
Made the turn.
He'll straighten it out. Watch him fly. Watch him fly.
Wow!
Look at that! Look at that!
Excalibur came from behind to win it.
All right, so these guys, are in the semifinals. Local favorite, hero, grave digger. That is Dennis Anderson up against the rookie driver, Rod Litzow, in the USA 1 machine, waiting for the green to go off right now as the two are lined up side by side. First round of semifinal action.
Litzow trying to make a name for himself right out of the box, a little out of shape. Anderson takes advantage of it, Richardson. He's trying to lead him, and Litzow's in trouble. Anderson won't quit. He goes after him.
Dennis Anderson is going to get the win over Rod Litzow in the USA 1 machine.
Neither one will give it in. Side-by-side qualifying. Here we go.
Rambo saves. Bigfoot is stayed. One of these will go home. Christmas tree light in hand. Watch them as they go. Who's it gonna be? What's it gonna be? Raymond leans on him, looking back, shuts it down at the wall. Shuts it down at the wall. You don't get much closer than that. As Bigfoot, Jim Kramer goes into the final.
Things in this sport is you run indoor, you run outdoor, and Rod has looked awfully good outdoors. Here he is again. Litzow wins it. Look out, he's gone over again. He showed that this afternoon when he completed his qualifying shot. When he came off the second set of vehicles, watch what happened. Dennis Anderson, Ray Digger loses it at the Milwaukee Mile, and thanks